This is the S9. It's a standalone smartwatch phone. It's an Android 8.1 device. All kinds of controls, just like you have on your phone. You have a wipe-in panel that gives you your most recently used apps, date and time. Messages that come through the watch show up here. When you go this way, you get into all kinds of apps. Phone calling, messaging. They're all handled by a SIM card with a separate phone number on there. Camera? You bet. Check it out. You pull this puppy out here. You think it's a knob. No, it's not. It's actually an 8 megapixel camera. And with this one, you can take videos, pictures, the whole 9 yards. Not only does it look up, it looks forward, and off your arm, it'll look down. You can turn it another 45 degrees, 90 degrees actually, and look straight down as well, and pop it back in, and it disappears out of sight. Never knew it was there. You got a gallery to look at all the pictures you shoot with your camera, browser, contacts, call history, all related to the SIM. The clock is just like on your Android phone, where you have all the different things from stopwatches on. You've got a sound recorder built into this one, pedometer for your step count, a face unlocked as well. More things, wallpapers like this one, themes, the Google Play Store so that you can download any Android app, Google Assistant, all things Google, calculator, YouTube. It really is a full Android watch. You also have heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure readings in this one. Overall settings with lots of different things. Again, just like on an Android phone. Software versions, you can do software upgrades to it. Power off, you name it. A built-in compass. And then you can download your own apps, like Google Drive I added, so I could transfer over all these different Android apps. None of these came in the watch. I've installed each of them, and they all are really fun to play with. So whatever you'd like to do on an Android watch, you can do it. Even set up a display brightness, which is a fun little app that lets you automatically brighten and dim the screen right here on the side. Not part of the stock watch, but I have a link that you can go over and download that and install it if you want to. Organized drawer shows everything in alphabetical order, and that's a third-party app you can put in your phone or your watch. It's really a sweet thing. It only has the one button on the side. That knob, it's not a knob, it's a camera. Comes with Apple-like bands. It's basically the original Apple smartwatch casing design. Pretty thin comparatively. Large battery and very good battery life as far as Android watches go, which isn't really spectacular. You can change to a few different watch faces, not custom watch faces like you're used to installing. At least I haven't found out how to do that. But you can put in the stock faces that they give you. Once again, it is the S9 Android smartwatch with pull-out, rotatable, built-in 8 megapixel camera. Check it out.